Good morning, children. Let us start the new chapter. Okay, that is lesson number 10 in your textbook, children. That is data handling. Okay, coming to page number 126. Okay, open your textbook, page number 126, children. See, chapter 10, that is data handling. What you mean by data? Data is the collection of an informations. Okay, collect the information. See, after studying this lesson, you can collect informations and interpret the data in tabular form, represent the data graphically, represent data through pictograph and bar graph, take a suitable scale to draw the graph, know the need for a scale to be taken to draw graph, explain the steps to be followed while drawing a graph. See, children, so we can continue. That data means what? Collecting the information. See, for example 1. Okay, see, here is a picture of birds in an album. There was a picture of an birds in the album. Asha counted the number of each type of bird, made a tally for each bird as shown in a table. See, coming to page number 127, children, see, birds, what are the birds is there? Peacock is there, parrot is there, eagle is there, pigeon is there, sparrow is there. Okay, so they are written in the bird. Peacock bird is how much? They are written in the tallies. Okay, 5 is there. How will you write in tally 5? See, children, this is tallies numbers. How can you write? See, 5 their number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 you have to put like this. Okay, it will be easy to count. Parrot is there, see, 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next eagle is 2. 1, 2. Pigeon is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sparrow is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children. So the tallies you can write the numbers like this. Numbers as usual no. So how will you write this one? 5. This one 5 plus 1 6. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one 3, like this. Okay, numbers, this is an a tallies. Okay, so this helped her in counting each type of bird quickly and represent this data through pictograph. This is the pictographical representation. Name of the bird is peacock. How many peacock is there? 5. So they have drawn the peacock 5. Okay, here parrot is how much? 6 is there. So they written 6 parrots. Eagle is how much? 2. They written 2. Pigeon is 4. Sparrow is 3. Okay, coming to page number 128 in your textbook, children. See, observe the picture given below. Toys are displayed on the shelf. See how much is there? Doll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here bat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here ball 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Balloon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ring is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of each type of toy is counted by marking a tallies. Okay, note the entries made in tab. See, name of the toy is doll. How much is there? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Bat is how much, children? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slash you have to put. Okay. Next ball is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 slash 5. Okay. Next balloon is how much? 8. So 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Ring is 4. They are written. Okay. Coming to page number 127. 9 children. In your textbook, see, the same informations can be represented pictorially as follows. Doll is how much they showed? 6. So 6 dolls. Bat 5. Ball 5. Balloon 8. Then ring is 4. Okay, let us study more examples. See, teachers Mr. Stella asked the students of class 5th to tell their mode of traveling to school every day. So she put a tally mark as each of the students answered and prepared the following table. Open your page number, coming to page number 130 children in your textbook. See, mode of transport. Some will come by walk, by bus, by van and by bicycle. So tallies is what you know, this is like this means this is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15 students come by walk. By bus, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 students come by bus. Van, 5 plus 5, 10. So bicycle is how much? 5. Okay, the number of students are large in number, hence it takes more time to draw so many pictures. Okay, so what they made, she decided to draw one symbol to represent 5 students. Okay, this This symbol represent how much? One symbol represent how much? 5 students. So they given walk students how much? 15. One picture is 5 means how many pictures I have to draw? See, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 3 pictures. 5 3s are 15. Okay, one picture represent how much? 5. So, walk student is 15. So, 1 picture 5 means 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. By bus is how much children? 10. So, 2 pictures. 5 plus 5 is 10. Van also 10 students. So, 2 pictures. So, bicycle is 5. So, 1 picture. Coming to page number 131 in your textbook children. That is example 4. Rahim buys fruits for his mother on her birthday. He picks up various kinds of fruits from the fruit seller. He prepared a table for the data about the number of fruits. Okay, name of the fruits is what? Banana, orange, apple and mango. Tallies they are given. Number of fruits. See, banana is 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 21, 22, 24. Here how much? 1, 2, 3. 5 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so this data can be represented through pictograph. Okay, let one fruit represent 4 fruits. This one fruit, okay, that is banana. Banana, one fruit represent how much? 4 fruits. Okay, one fruit is equal to 4. Okay, so banana is how much children? 24 bananas is there. So 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. So how many bananas you have to draw here? 6 bananas. Because one banana is one fruit, any fruit. One fruit represent how much? 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Okay, like that. So here orange. Orange is how much? 16. So 16 by 4, one fruit represent 4 no. 4 ones are 4 4. So 4 orange you should write. Okay. Then apple how much is there? 12 is there. One apple is 4 means 3 apple, 4 3s are 12. So apple is how much? 12 is there. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. Mango also children 20 is there. So how much you have to draw? 5 mangoes. 4 5s are 20. So 5 mangoes you have to draw. When the number to be represented is large, we choose a symbol to represent a certain number of objects. So we are done now. One fruit represent 4. Like that we have to choose. Okay. Coming to page number 132 children. See example 5. The following data shows the number of pens sold by a shopkeeper during the first 5 months of a year. So January month the shopkeeper sold 35 pens. February 25 pens. March 40. April 30, May 20. So you have to show that in the represent in the pictograph. How will you represent? See, let one pen represent 5 pens. One pen represent 5. So in January month how many pens? 35 pens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One pen is 5 means how many pens you have to draw? 7 pens. 5 sevens are 35. February is how much? 25. So how many pens should write? 5 pens because 5 5s are 25 because one pen represent 5. So 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 20 plus 5 is 25. Like that March is how much? 40. Okay. So how many pens you should write? 5 8s are 40 no. So 8 pens should write. Okay. April is 30. So 5 6 pens. 5 6 are 30. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Then May is 20. So 4 5s are 20. One pen is 4 no. So 4 5s are, one pen represent 5. Okay. So 20 May. 5 4s are 20. So 4 pens. Okay children. Now coming to page number 133 in your textbook. Okay. See, divide the quantity of each item by the scale taken to take the number of symbols to be written or drawn. In example 5, see children. In example 5, we have obtained the values as follows. See, 35 is divided by 5 is 7. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 20 divided by 5 is 4. That is 5 sevens are 35, 5 5s are 25. Okay children. Now pictograph. See, the following pictograph shows the number of students present in the class of 35 students during the week. Okay, see days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days. So one student represent how much? 5 year. Number of students present. See, in Monday, 1 is 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5, 6 are 30 students present. Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25 students. Okay. Wednesday, 3 students. 5 3s are 15. Here, Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 7s are 35. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 4s are 20. 1, 2. 5 2s are 10. Okay, children. Coming to page number 134 in your textbook. Okay. Study the pictograph and answer the following questions. Okay. On which day were the maximum number of students present? Maximum means what? More. Jasti. Okay. Maximum means more. So, on which day were the maximum number of students present, children? See, maximum students present. See here. How much? Maximum means more, I said. 30, 25, 35. Which one? 35 is the more. On Thursday. Right here, Thursday. Okay. Thursday. Second, on which day were the minimum number of students present? Minimum means less. Minimum is how much? In which class? 10 is minimum. So, it's Saturday. Saturday is the minimum students present. You should write. How many students were present on Monday? See, Monday, how many students present? 30 students. Right here, 30 students. Monday present, how many students? 30 students. What is the difference in the number of students present on Tuesday and Friday? See, Tuesday is how much? 25. Friday how much? 20. So, Tuesday, what is the difference they are asking? What you have to do? You have to do the subtraction in the number of students present on Tuesday and Friday. Difference how much? Tuesday and Friday. So, 25 students on Tuesday and 20 students on Friday. So, just minus. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus, so 5. Difference how much? 5. How many students were absent on Wednesday? How many students were absent on 35 students is there. Wednesday, how many students are absent? So, total is 35 students. So, you have to minus Wednesday, how much is present? 15 is present. So, you have to do the subtraction from total students minus present students. So, 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, how many students absent on Wednesday? 20 students. Okay, children? By seeing, see, exercise 10.1. Observe the pictograph and answer the questions. See, you are given science book, Kannada book, adventures book and novels is given. But books read in the library class last week is each book represent how much? 2 books. One book represent how much? 2 books. So, number of science books read. See the science books here. How much? 1, 2, 3 books. So, one book is how much? 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Otherwise, 3 books into 2. Okay, 3 books. Total books how much is? 3 books. So, 3 into 2 is 6 books. Number of science books read is 6. Number of Kannada books read. Kannada is 2. So, each book represent how much? 2. 2 2s are 4 books Kannada. Number of adventures books read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. So, 6 2s are 12. So, number of adventure books read is 12. Now, coming to page number 135, see, number of novels read 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Total number of books read. So, total, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, 15 books is there. One book represent 2. So, 15 into 2, 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 are 2 and 30. Okay. Total number of books read is 30. Okay, children? Understood? Now, see, 2. Page number 135, second sum. The following pictograph shows the number of cars in 5 villages of a taluk. Okay. One car represent how much? 5 cars. Okay. See, village 1, how many cars is there? 1, 2, 3. That is 3 into 5. 3 5s are how much? 15 cars. See, 1, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Here how many cars is there in village 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 5s are 30 cars. Okay. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 5 20 25 30. Okay. Here village 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 into 5 is 50 cars in village 3. Okay. In village 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 5s are 30. Village 5 1 2 3 4 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay. So here answer the questions. Which village has the maximum number of cars? Maximum means I said more. So which village has the maximum number of cars? 15 30 50. Which village? Village 3. Right here village 3. Village 3 has maximum cars. Which village have the minimum number of cars? Minimum means less. So village 1. Village 1. What is the total number of cars in 5 village? You have to add, dear children. 5 plus 5 10. Right here 0 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So what is the total number of cars in 5 village? 150 cars. Okay. How many more cars are there in village 3 than in village 5? Village 3 how much children? 50 is there. In village is 3 has 15 cars. Compare then village 5 is 25. Okay. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So how many more cars are there in village 3 than in village 5? 25 cars. How many cars? 25 cars. Which two villages have the same number of cars? Which village have village 2 and village 4 as the same number of cars? Which one? Village 2. Village 2 and village 4 as the same number of cars. So coming to page number 136 in your textbook children. See, Ramu had 5 pens, 3 eraser, 6 books, 2 pencils and 1 sharpener in his bag. Okay, write the data in tabular form and represent the same through a pictograph. See, name of the articles what? Pen. How much? Number of articles is 5. Next is eraser. How much? 3. Books 6. Pencil 2. Then sharpener 1. Okay children. Name of the articles were written pen, eraser, books, pencil, sharpener. How much there? 5 pens, 3 erasers, 6 books, 2 pencils and 1 sharpener in his bag. Okay. So pictograph. So you know that here 5 is there, pen, 3 is there, eraser, books, all like this. So name of the article is what? Pen. That is equal to how much? 1. Pen is equal. Okay. You have to write here 5 pens. Okay. How much pens you will write? 5 pens you should write children. That is 5 pens object. Okay. Write. Eraser 3. So 5 pens I will write like this. Okay. Simple I written like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 pen is equal to 1 only. So 5 pens means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is eraser. Eraser is how much? 3 is there. So this is the eraser. Okay. How many eraser? 3 eraser. 1 eraser represent 1 only. Okay. Equal to 1 only. Books. Books is how much children? 6 books you have to draw. How many books? 6 books you have to draw. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6 books we have to draw, represent. Okay. Next is pencil is how much? 2. Pencil is 2 pencils. So you have to draw the 2 pencils only. Okay. Next sharpener 1. So 1 sharpener you have to draw children. Okay. 1 sharpener. Okay. Now third sum. The number of bulbs manufactured in a week by a factory is given below. Draw a pictograph to represent the data. Choose a suitable scale. See, days of the week, number of bulbs manufactured. Okay, days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Number of bulbs is Monday 50, Tuesday 40, Wednesday 60, Thursday 20, Friday 30, Saturday 40. So bar graph, study the given examples. Okay children, the marks scored by Rajiv in the annual examinations are follows. Okay. See, they make as a, which one? Bar graph you have to draw. This is called as a bar graph. Study the type of graph drawn here. The data is represented in column wise. Okay. By drawing a vertical rectangles with uniform space between them. See, what are the some marks scored is Hindi, Kannada. See, first one is Hindi, Kannada, English, Science, Maths and Social. Marks scored is 0 to year in centimeter you can take no, in each 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That is marks. This is the subject. So here the data is represented in columns by drawing a vertical rectangles with uniform space between them. See, Hindi is 60. Here see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So they draw the bar graph. Kannada is 80. 80 will come here. So they draw Kannada. English is 40 here. English is 40. Then science is 90. 80, 90 here will come. Mathematics is 70. It will come here. And social study is 50. It will come here. Okay children. So marks scored by the girls in the mathematics is given below. Okay. Madhurya how much scored? Devika, Rita, Zahira and Rashmi, they are given like this. Okay. Represented there. Now coming to page number 138 children. See, the data is represented in columns by drawing a horizontal rectangles with uniform space between them. Okay. So, the representation of data in columns by drawing a vertical or horizontal rectangles with uniform space between them is called as a bar graph. Okay, children. See, what is the information given by the bar graph? What is the information given by the bar graph? Bar graph represent the relations between the sales in the here rupees. Then items, cakes, chocolate, biscuits, like that, bread all is there. Okay, between the sales in a baker's items and the rupees. Okay, see, what is the sale of the buns and cakes? What is the sale like this? What is the sales of buns and cakes? Bun is how much? Take the scale and see children like this. Buns is here. Okay, buns is how much? Here they represent. See, buns is how much? 450 rupees. Okay, buns is, and cake is 250. Here will come in the middle between 200 and 300. So 250 and 450. What is the sale of buns and cakes means 250 and 450. Buns is 450. Cake is 250. Okay. Which item has the maximum sale? Maximum sale and more sale. Which one is here? This one. Chocolate. Okay. Chocolate is 600. Okay, chocolate is 600. Okay, which item has the maximum sale means chocolate has the maximum sale. Which item has the minimum sale? Which item is the minimum sale? See here, minimum means less. So which item? That is biscuits. Okay, biscuit. So coming to page number 139 children. Mark obtained by Aziz in a half yearly examinations in different subject is given below. Okay, they given the subjects and the obtained marks obtained how much. What is the information of a given in the bar graph means what? The bar graph obtained what? The marks of the half yearly exam of Aziz. Okay, marks obtained by the Aziz of the half yearly. So subject here is there, marks is there. What is the information we have said? Make a list of the subjects and marks scored in each of them. Okay, you have to make a list of the subjects and marks scored in each of them. So, each of them means you know that is sub marks scored in Kannada how much, mathematics is how much, science is how much, English and social studies. What second question is make a list of the subjects and marks scored in each. So, you can write here what one is there, Kannada, maths, science, English and social. How much they can score you can write here. See. This one is what? Kannada is 80. You can write here 80. Then maths is 60. Maths is 60. Science is how much? 70. English is how much? English is 50. Social is 40. Okay, children. Make a Kannada, Maths, Science, English, Social. So, make a list of subjects and marks scored in each of them I written here. Okay, name the subject in which Aziz has scored the highest marks. Highest marks in which subject? This is 80 is the highest. Which subject? Kannada. Kannada subject has scored highest marks. Name the subject in which he has scored the least marks. Least marks in which subject? Social science. I'll write essays for social science. Okay, children. So, here also example 2. Study the bar graph and answer the following questions. They are given monthly magazines and number of copies sold. Coming to page number 140. So, here see. What information is given in the bar graph? That is in a monthly magazines and the copies of sold. Okay, monthly magazines has sold information in bar graph. So mention the scale taken in this bar graph. Which scale is taken? You are taken as a ruler. This is a 50 centimeter scale. No, ruler we are taken. What they are asking? Mention the scale taken in this bar graph. Okay. Write the number of magazines sold in each language. So in each language they are written Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, English, Tamil and Hindu. So how much you can write there? Kannada, write the number of magazines sold in each language. Kannada is how much, children? Kannada is 800. Okay, Kannada is how much? 800. Then Telugu is how much? 400. Telugu is 400. Marathi is how much, children? Marathi is 300. English is, children? English like this, 500. English is 500. Tamil is 100. Tamil is 100. Hindi is 200. Tamil is what? 100. Hindi is 200. Okay. Mention the total number of magazines sold. You have to mention total number of magazines sold. 800 plus 400. See, I'll put 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 300 plus 500. 300. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 100. That is 20 plus 1 is 21. Plus 2 is 23. That is 2300 magazines sold. Okay, 2300 magazines are sold. See, 800 plus 400, 1200. 1200 plus 300, 1500. 1500 plus 500, 2000. 2100 plus 200 is 2300 magazines. Okay, children. So, draw two lines, one vertical and the other horizontal, such that they intersect at a right angles. Take equal space on the horizontal line to draw the columns. The column should be of equal thickness width. Okay, children. Now, exercise 10.2. Okay, they given the bar graph they are mentioned. Then you have to, some questions is given, you have to answer, children, while seeing the bar graph. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you. Next class I will start the part 2 in your mathematics textbook. Okay, children. Thank you.